How to draw Alexia from v.i.p Pets. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Alexia, we're going to begin in the center of the page and we're going to draw a big shape which will be the first part of Alexia's hair. So now, on the inside of the shape that we just drew, we're going to draw 7 lines going up and down to separate the colors of Alexia's hair. So Alexia has the yellow headband that she wears, and it looks like there's 2 ears coming out of the headband. Let's go ahead and draw this headband that looks like it has 2 ears right now. Later on you'll notice that it will be colored in yellow. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Untitled Chapter. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. So now we're going to draw the ears of Alexia right behind those 2 shapes on the headband. Now if you're all done, let's continue. Now we're going to draw the outline of Alexia's face, which will connect from the left side of the hair all the way over to the right. Now in the center of the face, let's go ahead and draw a small shape that looks similar to a diamond with curved edges for the nose. And right below the nose, we're going to draw the mouth by using 2 curved lines along with a U line. And if you're enjoying today's video, then give it a big like, or if you think the video could be a little bit better, then give it a thumbs down to let us know. On the left and right hand side of the nose, let's go ahead and draw a circle for the outline of the eyes. And on the top of each eye, we can add an eyelashes by drawing small lines. Now once we're all done drawing the eyelashes, let's move to the inside of the eyes, where we're going to draw 2 small circles. So now we have to draw 2 more circles on the inside of each eye. First, let's go ahead and make the one circle that will connect the 2 smaller circles that we just drew. Now we still have to make one more circle on the inside of each eye. Let's go ahead and use a simple curved line to make this circle. So Alexia has a purple design that looks similar to a splash on her right eye. Let's go ahead and draw this design right now. Fantastic! Now we're all done drawing the face. For the next step, let's draw the collar by making a small shape that looks similar to a rectangle right here beneath the head. Now attached to the collar that we just drew, we're going to go ahead and draw the outline of the body. So let's begin right here on the left hand side. We're going to draw a shape that looks similar to a curved L. Nice. Now let's do the exact same thing right here on the right hand side. Now, on the middle of the shirt of Alexia, she has the same design that's on her eye, so let's go ahead and draw that design right now. So now on the bottom lines of Alexia's shirt, let's go ahead and draw her paws. Now we're going to draw the back paws on the sides of the paws that we just drew. And don't forget that at the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now let's use a small line to connect those 2 paws that we first drew to close off the shirt of Alexia. Now all we have left to do before we color is to draw the hair. So let's begin on the right hand side and we'll connect the hair all the way down to the paws that we just drew. Then we'll do the exact same thing on the left hand side. On the inside of the hair, we're going to use lines going down to help separate the colors. Awesome! Now let's draw those lines that I previously mentioned going down. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Alexia from v.i.p Pets. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and subscribe because we upload new videos every single day. Don't forget that in just a moment I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time.